We just took in this 2021 Forest River R-Pod RP-190. It weighs less than 4,000 pounds, is a single axle, and has a slide out. Let's go check it out. Here is our 21 Forest River R-Pod. It's a Hood River Edition RP-190. We're gonna give this thing a full video tour. We're gonna check out the exterior, all the compartments, and then jump inside and see what that has to offer. So let's not titty-tattle around and let's get this thing going. First up, electric tongue jack, propane tank under there, single battery right here, brake connection, and then you got a disconnect right there, which is kind of nice. Moving on over to the passenger side, you got two storage compartments on the passenger side. The first one being the biggest. And you can see it's got a grill in here, a stand for the grill, and it goes back a little bit further in there. That's where that grill would rest right there, is on that little black ledge. These little guys are for like little supports for the awning. I don't have the awning out because you do have to set those supports up. I just don't really have the width right here. So when the awning comes out initially, it does hit the door, so you do need to add those, pretty much those legs, to keep it in a good position. Like I said, the Hood River Edition, which is kind of nice. I like this little Hood River frog they got going on right here. He's kind of cool. So we got a quick connect for propane right there. That's why the grill's also there. 110s. What do we got? Black tank flush, spray port right here. Got some nice off-road tires with a little bit of spider webs on them. Gross. Let's see if we can find a date code. 2720. Get off me, spider web. 2720 235/75 R15s. Look at the tread on these things. They're insane. It's all about the sidewalls, as you guys always know. Entry door is one of those black mirrored ones. Very cool. Gets pretty dirty pretty easily, but a great looking door. Asdel sidewalls is a big plus on these small little trailers. Here's your second this is your second storage. You can tell you can access it from under the dinette, and on the other side is just another entry to it. So it's like a U-shaped pass-through storage. I love the decals on this thing. Looks the hexagonal stickers look pretty futuristic. They're kind of cool. Oh, that's interesting. That one is much more of a real sticker than the rest. Does have a little spare tire on the back. If you are able to jack up your trailer, you could use that. Scissor jacks down below on all 4 points. Other side of that, storage. They are magnetically held, so you just, there you go. And easy to lock. 30 amp power source, of course. It's a gear driven slide out. It's only about, what is that, 12 inches, maybe 18 inches, a little bit deeper. Strictly for the kitchen. Waste holding tank dump right there, not all the way at the end, so you're not gonna hit it when you go over a big bump. Coax, 30 amp power service, single AC, of course. Low point drains, then you got your other sewer connection and drain right there. Fridge is in the slide out. You can see the exhaust for it right there. And then we got furnace, which is going to be under the bed, surprisingly enough. Freshwater connection, city water connection. I'd open this, but it looks like whoever had this broke it, so I got to fix that. 6-gallon water heater. Here's the kicker: 3,807 pounds loaded. Cargo carrying capacity 464, so 33 and some change dry. Gonna try to stay out of the sun. It's gonna be damn near close to impossible. That's pretty much the exterior. It's gonna be a quick walk there because it is such a small trailer. All right, so right when we walk in, get out of this truck, you're greeted with the dinette and of course the slide out for the kitchen. So your dinette is directly in the front. It's a U-shaped dinette, is a sleeping area, good for 2 kids, maybe 2 smaller adults. This is where that pass-through storage was that you can access. There's only 1 storage on the dinette on that side. Because of the slide out, you can't put a little storage compartment there. And let's check out the printout since we're here. $26,000 is what we're selling this for. 20 feet 4 inches, 3807 single AC, 30/30/30 on the fresh gray and black tanks. Oh, there we go. That's not very freaking, there we go. That's not very detailed. Your exact floor plan right there. Look at their advertisements. Look at all these sumo guys talking about their roof. Flexible, reflective, puncture resistant. Pretty funny. When we initially took this thing in, there was all these little stickers of butterflies all on this wall. And you're gonna see a little remnants of that in the bathroom, which, well, I'll just let you guys wait. So your slide out, follow the crown molding or follow the molding, right down there, right past that fridge. Don't ask about the bed, we'll get to that. But before there, right when you walk in, you got your little entertainment center. 32-inch TV, does have a solar panel up top, kind of your little radio device guy. Come on. Oh, I'm not on a good channel, but you can control the volume there. A couple speakers in this coach. And you got awning, slide, LED lights, and then other porch lights right there. Kitchen, fully on a slide out. It's got a little bit of storage under there, but you do have some plumbing stuff in the way. Little high point microwave. This is a convection because there is no oven. Not the biggest fan of the location. You got to break your back a little bit. 2-burner stove top up here. Single bay sink. Pretty big though. No extension on the faucet. Backsplash is there. It is also a sticker. You can tell kind of down below. Doesn't look terrible, honestly. I think the lady who had this prior to us added it separately because that matched all those dang butterfly stickers. Little overhead storage. I think on this Norcold fridge, it looks like this front panel may have got loose, but whoever had this thing prior to us, we're gonna fix this, but that's why you see the tape there. So it's your freezer, fridge. It's kind of one of those dorm room style where the freezer's up top, and it's actually more enclosed than you would expect, so it probably works decently. And then we got your only closet in this trailer is gonna be this little wardrobe right here. Good for shirts. And you got 3 drawers right there. There's 2 of them, so you can get an idea of the size. Down below, it's like a little panel area, somewhere you can store. It's literally got a central vac system, which blows my mind in something this size, but very nice, good little add. There is also some storage under there. Like I said, the furnace is right there to the left. Can't really see it, but you got some storage. We got bathroom on the right. We'll get there in a second. Thermostat also right here. Roof mounted AC, not ducted, comes directly out of the unit, but it feels nice and cold, and this thing's so small it doesn't really matter about the ducting. Little overhead kind of storage right there. Area to mount a TV in this corner. I don't know what the heck this bed is. It came in with the trailer. I don't know how they even fit it in here. It will not be in here when we sell this thing. We're gonna put in a real mattress because it obviously doesn't fit. Lots of windows though, which is nice. Got a couple covers, and then you got your emergency exit window right here. You can't push that out in case of a fire or something. Turning around, this is what you see from the bedroom. Let's go check out this little bathroom area. So you got a plastic toilet, got a little bit of storage under the sink. Little baby sink. Moving on over, you can see part of those seashells down there is like little slip guards. Skylight, fantastic fan in here, medicine cabinet, and here it is. Look at all the, I said butterflies out there, but in here it's mermaids, because she was a mermaid at heart. Yep. But you see the backsplash in the kitchen matches all these kind of stickers. So I thought that was a little interesting. All right, we're gonna back out of here. Probably looks a little weird because it's so dang tight. Now, let's put this slide in, get an idea of what it looks like with the slide all the way in and see the accessibility. Generally, I'd pause, but we're gonna keep you guys watching, watch this slide come in. Like I said, only about 12, 18 inches deep, nothing too crazy. When the slide comes all the way in, you do lose some access. So you can technically get to this microwave. Can you put anything in the microwave? Probably not. Stovetop, sink fully accessible. Stovetop from the side. The fridge, I guess if you had like, you know, a soda or beer or something like that, you could get to it. I am for sure not skinny enough to fit through here, but I know people that could, and then possibly fit in the bathroom area too. So not super accessible. I guess if you're one of them tall, skinny people, pretty easily get back to the bed or the bath, but that's what it looks like. All right, let's get out of this thing. Shut this, give me an idea what it looks like with all your slides in, minus that compartment. Loud truck driving by. Thank you for that. There there it is. There's that slide. Obviously the power cord wouldn't be plugged in, but this is how it would be when you're traveling. So I'll leave all my contact info on the screen. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. You got my cell phone number, you have my email. Call me, text me, email me. Don't page me, no pager anymore. But thank you so much for viewing. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Hopefully it answered a question if you guys are looking at this specific RV. Thank you so much. Have a great day.